The next website builder we'll take a look at is the Hostinger website builder. Hostinger is best known as a hosting company that provides servers for hosting websites. However, since 2019, Hostinger has also offered its own website builder, and it's actually quite good. Just like Wix and Squarespace, Hostinger lets you create your own template using AI or choose from a library of around 150 pre-designed templates. You can customize your website using a simple drag and drop editor, which feels a bit like a simpler version of the Wix editor. You can also use this website builder to create a basic blog or small e-commerce website. Overall, the Hostinger website builder is simpler and offers fewer features compared to the more established website builders mentioned previously in this video. At the moment, there's also no dedicated app marketplace for adding extra functionalities. However, Hostinger is rapidly adding new features and constantly improving their product. They even have a public roadmap where you can see which features are coming next. But I think one of the biggest reasons to choose the Hostinger website builder is the price. With their premium plan, you can build and run your website for as little as $2.49 per month. Keep in mind though that this price only applies for the first 4 years if you pay upfront. And after that, it renews at $7.99 per month, which also needs to be paid in advance for the next 4-year term. Even so, it's still much cheaper than most other options. You're essentially getting the convenience of an all-in-one website builder for the price of running a WordPress website, which is generally much less expensive than all-in-one platforms. Because you're essentially paying for a server that happens to have a website builder included, you can create up to 100 websites on the same plan at no extra cost. On other platforms like Wix or Squarespace, you'd need to pay for separate subscriptions for each new website you want to create. So if you're planning to create more than one website, choosing Hostinger can definitely save you a lot of money. One downside though is that Hostinger doesn't offer a free plan or trial. But they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to cancel and get a full refund in case you change your mind. Overall, I would recommend checking out the Hostinger website builder if you're looking for a very affordable and simple tool to build one or multiple websites.